Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to hide pages inside Notion. So this is very simple. This is how I do it. First, I will click on Add a Page and name this page Hidden Pages. Now simply give this page up here and throw in them all of the pages that you want to hide. Now simply, as you can see, they disappeared from here, and if you expand this you can see them, but basically they are hidden. If you want to hide them also inside this, then just simply place your cursor right here, type / and toggle, and click on toggle list. Now you can name this toggle hidden page number 1, and then simply select the page and drag and drop it to your toggle. Now as you can see, this page is hidden. You can expand it to see the page. So it is really simple. You can do this for all of your pages right here. So drag in this Tuesday and name it hidden page number 2. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.